Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share something that's been sitting on my countertop for the past few weeks. And honestly, it's become my most used kitchen appliance. I'm talking about the Novaspark air fryer toaster oven combo. And before you think, oh great, another air fryer review, hear me out. Because this thing is available in the description below. Let me paint a picture of the problem this solves. Your kitchen counter is cluttered with a toaster, a separate air fryer, maybe a pizza oven, a dehydrator if you're into meal prep. And you're running out of space, right? Plus, every time you want to cook something different, you're pulling out a different appliance, dealing with multiple instruction manuals, and wasting precious counter real estate. It's overwhelming and inefficient. Here's how the Novaspark solves that exact problem. This is an 8-in-1 appliance that genuinely replaces all those gadgets I just mentioned. Air fryer? Check. Toaster oven? Obviously. Pizza oven? Yep, rotisserie. It's got that too. Dehydrator, sandwich maker, conventional oven. It does it all. And the best part? It takes up less space than having 2 or 3 separate appliances. Now I know what you're thinking. Does it actually do all those things well? Or is it just a jack of all trades, master of none? That's exactly what I thought too. So I put it through the test. I've made everything from crispy air-fried chicken wings to perfectly toasted bagels, from homemade jerky using the dehydrator function to full rotisserie chicken for Sunday dinner. And I'm genuinely impressed. The secret is in the engineering. This countertop convection oven has 5 heating elements. That's more than most toaster ovens in this price range. Combined with rapid hot air circulation technology, what does that mean for you? It means your food cooks faster, more evenly, and with that perfect crispy texture you want from an air fryer without needing excessive oil. I've been making French fries that come out just as crispy as deep fried, but way healthier. Now let me walk you through the key features that make this stand out from the competition. Key features. 8-in-1 versatility. This isn't just marketing talk. You're getting a legitimate air fryer, rotisserie oven, pizza oven, dehydrator, sandwich maker, toaster, conventional oven, and broiler all in one compact design. Seriously cuts down on kitchen clutter and saves you money from buying multiple appliances. Family-sized 16-quart capacity, perfect for households with 5 to 6 people. Cook complete meals in one go, whether it's a whole rotisserie chicken with roasted vegetables, multiple racks of wings for game day, or several batches of cookies for the holidays. 5 heating elements with rapid convection, fast preheating, even cooking, and that crispy texture everyone loves. The hot air circulation ensures no cold spots, no undercooked centers, just consistent, restaurant-quality results every single time. Intuitive 3-knob control system, no complicated digital displays or confusing buttons. 3 simple knobs control your cooking mode, temperature, and time. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll master this in seconds. Perfect for busy parents or anyone who wants simplicity. Built-in safety features, heat-resistant glass door so you can monitor your food without opening it and losing heat. Automatic shutoff prevents overcooking. Overheat protection gives you peace of mind. Non-slip feet keep it stable on your counter. Retro design that looks amazing. That gorgeous blue retro aesthetic doesn't just look good in YouTube videos, it genuinely elevates your kitchen style. Functional and beautiful. Here's what really sold me on this. The non-stick interior makes cleanup so easy. After cooking bacon or cheesy pizza, I was dreading the scrubbing. But everything just wipes clean. The crumb tray slides out for easy disposal. The accessories are dishwasher safe. It's designed for real life, not just Instagram photos. Let me give you a real-world example. Last weekend, I had friends over for brunch. I used the Novaspark to toast bagels, air-fry hash browns, and bake a frittata, all within an hour using just this one appliance. No juggling between my oven and stovetop. No waiting for things to finish so I could start the next batch. It handled everything, and honestly, I looked like a kitchen genius without breaking a sweat. The temperature range is impressive too. It heats from low temps for dehydrating fruits and jerky, all the way up to high heat for broiling steaks or getting that perfect char on vegetables. The precision is there, and can we talk about the rotisserie function? I've made whole chickens that come out with crispy, golden skin and juicy meat inside. The rotisserie fork and cage are included, and watching that chicken spin while it cooks is oddly satisfying. Your house smells incredible, and you're getting that expensive rotisserie chicken taste for a fraction of the cost. If you're someone who wants to consolidate kitchen appliances, save counter space, cook healthier meals without sacrificing taste, feed a family efficiently, or just make your life easier in the kitchen, this is it. The Novaspark air fryer toaster oven combo delivers on every promise. The compact footprint means it fits on most countertops without dominating your workspace. The retro design means you'll actually want to keep it out on display instead of hiding it in a cabinet. And the performance means you'll use it daily.